What if I told you that some people woke up richer? Not because of crypto, not because of stocks, and not because they worked harder, but because they used a simple AI tool before everyone else noticed. No headlines, no breaking news, no hype videos, yet money started flowing in, almost overnight. The craziest part? This AI is still available today, but almost nobody is using it the right way. This is AI Wealth Pulse, where we track the silent shifts creating the next wave of wealth. Today, I'll show you what this AI actually is, how people quietly made money with it, why most people completely missed it, and how this pattern keeps repeating. This isn't a get-rich-quick fantasy. This is about timing, leverage, and attention. Let's begin. What are we talking about? When people hear AI making money, they think of complicated coding, or billion-dollar companies like OpenAI or Google. But that's not the AI that made people rich overnight. The real shift started with generative AI, tools that can write, design, edit, code, analyze, and automate tasks in minutes. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, AI voice generators, AI video tools, automation agents. But here's the key. The winners didn't build the AI. They used it as leverage. How people actually made money. Let me give you real scenarios. Case 1, the freelancer. Before AI, took 3 days to write content. Charged $50 per project. After AI, finished in 2 hours. Charged $200. Delivered faster than everyone else. Same skill, same person, new leverage. Income jumped overnight. Case 2, the YouTube automation creator. One person plus AI. AI scripts, AI voice, stock footage, simple editing. They launched faceless channels in finance, motivation, and tech. Some failed. One worked. That single channel. Thousands of views. Then hundreds of thousands. Then monetization. Again, not luck. Volume plus speed plus low cost. Case 3, the agency owner. This is the quietest one. People used AI to build small agencies, sell services they didn't fully do themselves. AI handled drafts, designs, first versions. They focused on clients, pricing, delivery. Clients paid premium prices. Costs dropped to almost zero. That margin brought you wealth. The real secret no one talks about. Here's the truth. No one says out loud. AI didn't make people rich. Speed did. AI removed 3 things: time, cost, skill barriers. So the people who moved first tested faster, failed faster, adapted faster, while others were arguing if AI was dangerous, debating ethics, waiting for permission. Money was already moving. History repeats this every time. Internet, social media, smartphones, crypto, now AI, same pattern. Different technology. Why it felt overnight. From the outside, it looks like magic. But behind the scenes, weeks of testing, dozens of failed ideas, silent work. Then suddenly, one video explodes. One client pays big. One product clicks. And people say, wow, he got rich overnight. No, they just didn't see the preparation. Why most people missed it. 3 reasons. They waited to be experts. AI rewards action, not perfection. They used AI for fun, not leverage. Chatting, playing, no business model. They copied instead of thinking. The first movers create. Late movers copy scraps. By the time something is trending, the real money phase is already ending. Is it too late now? Here's the honest answer. Too late to get rich easily. Not too late to get rich strategically. AI is still early, but the rules have changed. Now winners are combining AI tools, building systems, stacking small advantages, not chasing hype, not waiting for shortcuts. The opportunity didn't disappear. It just got smarter. Final message. Every generation gets a moment like this. A tool that looks ordinary, feels controversial, seems overhyped, until it's everywhere. AI was never about replacing humans. It was about rewarding the fastest learners. The question isn't, can AI make people rich? It already did. The real question is, will you be early? Or will you be watching from the comments? This is AI Wealth Pulse. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.